Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is Practice of Brahmacharya, and friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll understand it in a better way. Apart from saying 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, 86 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section, because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comment, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So I will spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJAE 1906. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can also email me. I have a email account on Gmail, and my Gmail ID is abhimanyubhattacharjee1906@gmail.com. So I will spell it for you, friends. Okay, it's ABHIMANYUBHATTACHARJAE 1906@gmail.com. And friend, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video, you will get a notification, friends. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I've covered a topic called Story of a Ghost. Be always busy to control lust. So this topic I've covered in my last video. And friends, in our today's video, I'm going to cover the topic called Pure and Impure Mind. This topic, friends. Okay, pure and impure mind. So let us see and friends, this is 109 number video, and the topic is pure and impure mind. Okay. And so friends, let us see what Swami Sivanandaji is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. In Hanuman Ghat, Banaras, two girls were in a drawing condition. So here Swami Sivanandaji is telling us a story. Swami Sivanandaji is telling that in Hanuman Ghat in Banaras, so there is a place called Hanuman Ghat in Banaras, where two girls were in a drawing condition. So they were completely drawing. Two young men rushed immediately into the Ganga and saved the girls. So here, when two girls were were in the drawing condition in the ghat, so they were basically floating down, right? And two young men ran in the Ganga and they saved those two young girls. Okay. So this Swami Samananda is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. One man asks the girl to marry him. So one man asks the girl that, will you marry me? The other man said, I have done my duty. God gave me an opportunity to serve and improve myself. So another man said that I have done my duty and God gave me opportunity to serve and improve myself. Okay. So basically what happened, friends, that in a Hanuman Ghat in Banaras, there is a place Hanuman Ghat where two girls were drowning down, right? And they were unable to do swimming and they were going down. So two young men rushed them and two young men saved those two girls. Okay. And one man asked that girl, will you marry me? And the second man said that I have done my duty and God have given me the opportunity to serve, right? So he went from there. He had a chitta shuddhi. So this person has a chitta shuddhi. Okay. The external action is the same, the act of saving of life. So here Swami Svananda is telling the external act is completely same, right? The both did the work of saving the life of the girl, but the motive is different in two-person, right? But the motive of saving the girl was different in two-person. The fruit also must be different. So the fruit, this is a very big statement, friend. The fruit also must be different. So what happened that now two men went there and two men saved those two girls, right? But the motive of saving those two girls were different. One man have motive that I want to marry that girl. To marry that girl, he rushed to save that girl. And another man's chitta was completely shuddhi, right? His mind was completely clear, and he wanted to serve the Lord and he wanted to save that girl, so he went, right? So didn't had any lustful desire. So in the same way, as the karma, the motive of karma of two men were different, even the fruits also must be different. The fruits which they are going to bear, that is also going to be different, friends. Okay, so this Swami Swananda is telling to us in this topic. So friends, in our today's this topic came to an end, and in our today's video I have covered the topic called pure and impure mind. This topic, friends. Okay, and friends, in our next video I am going to cover the topic called appendix. I'm going to start a new chapter, that is appendix, and this topic is song of a brahmachari, friends. Okay, so friends, this topic came to an end, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, friends. Okay.